morning, my dear students. We studied about the two properties in the last videos. So now in this video we are going to discuss about the third property of rational numbers, which is the associative property. Associative property for addition of rational numbers. Here we will take the operation of addition and we shall operate this property on three rational numbers. At least we have to take three rational numbers to study about the associative property. So let us take any three rational numbers. Let us take any three rational numbers. Let us take 2 upon 5, minus 3 by 10, minus 3 by 10 and 6 by 15. Let us take three rational numbers. Okay, I have three rational numbers and I am going to add these three rational numbers because I have chosen the sign of addition, the operation of addition. Okay. So in associative property, what we have to do? We basically have to change the group. What does this mean? That is, I am making the group of these two rational numbers here, and if I change the group, if I associate these two rational numbers, minus 3 by 10 and 6 by 15, and keep aside this rational number 2 upon 5. So my dear students, what do you notice that? What will you notice after solving these both conditions, on solving here and on solving here? On the both conditions, in the both conditions you will obtain the same answer. You will obtain the same answer. Look at this condition. When I am associating these two rational numbers, after solving these two rational numbers, I will get a rational number, and in that rational number I will have to add 6 upon 15, and finally I will get my result. Similarly here, on solving these two rational numbers, I will get a rational number and I shall add that rational number in this rational number, that is 2 upon 5, and finally I will get my result. So look at the result. Look at the result in both the conditions, that I will get the same rational number or not. So taking the LCM of 5 and 10, that will be 10, 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, plus 10 1 ja 10, minus 3 1 ja minus 3, plus 6 by 15. After removing the small bracket, the plus and minus sign get multiplied, that is 4 minus 3 upon 10, 4 minus 3 upon 10 plus 6 upon 15, that is 1 upon 10 plus 6 upon 15. And what is the LCM of 10 and 15? That is 30. 10 3 ja 30, 3 1 ja 3, plus 15 2 ja 30, 6 2 ja 12, that is 15 upon 30. 12 plus 3, that is 15 upon 30. And also you can cancel out 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. You can also write your answer like 1 by 2. Your answer is 1 by 2. Now look at this condition. I was associating these two rational numbers here. I was making the group of these two rational numbers here in this condition. But here I am associating these two rational numbers and keeping aside this rational number. I am making the group of these two rational numbers. That means I am going to change the group. So by changing the group, does the result get affected or not? I am going to check it. So let us solve it also. 2 upon 5 plus, taking the LCM of 10 and 15, that will be 30. 10 3 ja 30, 3 3 ja 9, that is minus 9, plus 15 2 ja 30, 6 2 ja 12 is equal to 2 upon 5 plus minus 9 plus 12, that is 3 by 30, minus 9 plus 12 by 30, that is 3 by 30. And now taking the LCM of 5 and 30, that will be 30. 5 6 ja 30, 6 2 ja 12, plus 30 1 ja 30, 3 1 ja 3, that is 15 upon 30. That is also here you got your answer as 1 by 2. In both the conditions, you got the same answer. It means that for the operation of addition, the associative property for addition of rational numbers is that 3 rational numbers or 4 rational numbers can be added by making any group by associating any 2 rational number. Either I am associating these 2 rational numbers, and by solving them, adding them, I will get the same answer whether I change the group or any other group I take. Okay. So let us take another operation. The second operation is the operation of subtraction. Operation of subtraction. Operation of subtraction. My dear students, take any 3 rational numbers and try to subtract them by making different groups. What you will observe? You will observe that on changing the group of the rational numbers, the result gets affected. In the case of subtraction, the result will be get affected. You will not get the same answer on the both side in the case of subtraction. So try to do it yourself. In the case of multiplication, try to solve any 3, try to think about any 3 rational numbers and multiply them by changing the groups. Okay. So what you will observe in the case of multiplication? In the case of multiplication also, you will see that you will get the same answer by changing the group. Okay. No matter what you are making the group by associating any 2 rational numbers and multiplying them, you will get the same answer on the both side. And the last operation is the operation of division. So again, take any 3 rational numbers and try to divide one rational number by other rational number. Okay. So what you will see that by changing the group and by doing division in between them, you will not get the same answer on the both side. So we see that in the case of addition and multiplication, changing the group does not affect the result. But in the case of subtraction and division, changing the group affects the result. That is the class of today. Okay. Thank you very much and try to do yourself. Okay.